Y'all heard that crunch? Now check that out. Let's look at the other side. Y'all, that looks so good. Oh my gosh. Crunch Wrap Supreme. So hey guys, welcome back to Cooking My Way with your girl Nifa. It's been a while for Cooking My Way. I've been lazy and I ain't want to cook, and it's cold outside, and it's, you know, the weather got you feeling like two, I've been adding Cooking My Way in our vlogs, so that's why y'all don't have a separate Cooking My Way. We are making, by the title, Crunch Wrap Supreme My Way. We're gonna get started, okay? So we're gonna start off by cutting an onion. This is a big onion. We don't need that big onion.
Red onion, right?
A big red onion. So we're gonna just dice it up. So you just want to dice your onion up as fine as you can, or however you like it. Your choice. Remember, it's cooking your way. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil in this pan to you know, cook this meat. Let me open this up.
So what type of meat you use?
Ground turkey, because ground turkey is good on your stomach.
You could choose what you want, y'all.
You could choose, if you want to use beef, use beef. It's your choice. I'm kind of following the recipe that I saw, but I got exactly the ingredients that I saw this person have. So, I just hate ground meat. I mean, meat when it look like this. Anyway. So you want to make sure your ground meat is fully cooked. Okay? So make sure it's all cooked in there very well. Okay? My next step, I'm going to take my taco seasoning. This is the La Preferida taco seasoning. So I heard it's really good. You got to add 2/3 cup of water. I already added my 1/3 cup of water. And I'm going to just mix it up real good. Just like that. But before I do that, I'm going to add my onions so my onions can get a little cooked in here. That's all the onions I'm adding. I ain't putting all them onions in there. That's a lot of onions. Y'all, that's a lot of onion for Let me turn my stove down. Something I forgot to do. Lord, let this food be delicious and good. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. So just like that, you want to pour it right on in there. Cook it my way. Give it a stir. I did turn the stove down a little bit so that it can don't be so cooking on high. Just make sure all the meat is incorporated with the sauce. Like I said, I turned it down so it's gonna simmer. And while that's simmering, I'm gonna start on my next step. Next step is adding the tortillas con queso. Ooh. I'm gonna heat this up. How much? About that much. Not a whole lot. So for this recipe, you're gonna need some con queso. You need some sour cream, and this is the organic flavor. You need some, put it on my face. You need some, the man on the horse.
Bring closer, baby, so they can see it.
The man on the horse, okay? You're gonna need taco seasoning. But you know what? Use whatever you guys like to use. If you like I think it's Tex-Mex Omega, something like that. If you like that flavor, if you like the McCormick brand, use that seasoning. If you like a different type of cheese, use that. If you like different kind of sour cream, use that. You know, whatever floats your boat, man. So your cheese sauce, you just want it to be warm and loose like that.
Like slime.
Yeah, like slime. So I just turn it. Actually, I could turn that off. Ready? Now it's time to plate. Set it up and plate it. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and put about that much oil, and I'm using extra virgin olive oil. All right, guys. So I'm getting ready to plate it. So I'm putting my meat first. Okay. Use as much meat as you like, or as less as you like. Mind you, this is my first time ever making this now. I'll let y'all know that. My cheese sauce. We put all my cheese on there. Get it nice and all over. Again, use as much as you like, as less as you like. It's your preference. Then I come over here with this. Y'all, I'm trying to remember the steps. Right, Jason? Am I right?
Yeah, you're right. You got it right.
So I come with my little crispy tortilla. Right? Yeah, let me get me a knife, right? So I got me a knife, and what you want to do, take your sour cream, and you want to make sure it's on all over evenly. Yes, you want to use as much as you like or as less as you like. Just depends on you. Okay, like that. Now I'm going with my iceberg lettuce. Use whatever lettuce you like, as much as you like, as less as you like. Then you go in with some more cheese. That looks delicious. And last but not last, but almost last, I got some taco seasoning. Mm-hmm.
I'm holding the fan.
Ooh. Ooh. What was that?
That's my phone. Sorry, y'all.
I thought that was the thing going dead. So I got some Taco Bell mild sauce. You can buy whatever sauce you like, hot, whatever, spicy. Then you're gonna go in with this.
You gotta show them what kind it is.
It's the small mission. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all the other one. Then you're gonna put that on top, and what you're gonna do is fold. Don't be afraid, just fold it. How did I get red on there? Fold it in nice and tight, nicely tight fold, just like that. Okay, see? And this is what you want to do. Get your pan nice and hot. Ooh, y'all, that grease hot. And you want to take it and put it in there, just like that. Okay, and just let that cook. I'm gonna turn my stove down some more. Hit it up a little too high. So you want to go. This is how we're gonna do it again. This is the mission. This is the large. Okay, like that. Ooh, I almost dropped that. But let me go back over here and check on it, because y'all know this stuff don't take long to cook. And flip it over.
You see I sealed, y'all?
You see, it's supposed to be sealed, but you know, hey, we trying over here.
You gotta press down when you flip.
Let me flip it back over, because, see, let me listening to you. Y'all, this is supposed to be sealed down like that.
But you can flip back over and put the pressure on it for the cheese to melt it. That's all.
I'm gonna try this once again. Hopefully. So it can stay sealed.
You gotta put the pressure on that wide.
It's hard work, y'all, but it work. It'll work. Mind you, please make sure your stove is not too high. That was my problem. I hit the stove too high. Woo.
See how it's sealed this time?
Yeah, it's sealed this time. Right here is not quite sealed, but it's... Y'all get the picture, right? Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna build the second one. You go in with your meat first. Okay. I don't think I put enough cheese, y'all.
This your second time doing it.
This is my very first time ever making anything like this, for one. I'm going with my cheese. It's kind of, you know, not melty anymore, but that's fine. I like lots of cheese. So that's what it is. Okay? Ready? And this one got a little Pac-Man face, so we're gonna go in with that one. Okay? Sour cream. As much as you like. Make sure it's on the whole entire tortilla. This is the crunchy tortilla. Again, it's this one. That's what it is. Then I go in with my my lettuce. Okay. Iceberg lettuce, whatever kind of lettuce you like. Then you go in with your shredded cheese. What kind of cheddar cheese you like. Then you take your mayo sauce, taco sauce, whatever's mayo sauce you like. Then you go in with, last but not least, the small wrap. Let me put this back together before I get confused, y'all. Like that. And we're gonna just fold Fold it in. Fold it in. Fold it. Y'all heard that crunch? Fold. I'm trying to hold it all together. It's not easy, y'all. Bear with me. Fold. Fold and fold. Hold on now. Gotta put that bad boy back on that stove. Get a little bit more olive oil. Okay. Ooh, that might have been too much, huh, y'all? All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh, and I'm doing this with on a hot stove, y'all.
Press it down. Yeah, you're right.
So pressing it down. I know I'm supposed to be using them utensils, but I'm sorry, y'all. Some
My
things
hands clean, y'all. So
believe that. I'm just kind of circling it so it can get in this grease. Not the grease, so it can
seal.
Yeah, so it can seal. And the oil kind of, you know, it helps with the cooking. Okay, everybody, the oil helps with the sealing. Taco Bell, what? Bye Taco Bell. I ain't going back to you. I'm not getting no Taco Supreme for you again.
And you in control of the ingredients which you put in there.
Exactly. If you want to use all organic stuff, you can. Yeah, I'm just pressing it down so that it can start, so it can seal. Okay. I had a hard time with the other spatula, so that's why you see this one. I got this at Big Lots. It came in a set with a put it on me. It came in a set with a let me show it to you because I can't even think of the name of it. It came in a set with this, and inside here has measuring. It tells you how much each line is. So yeah, flipping it. Oh man, I ain't leave it on there long enough. Dang. That's all right. It's okay because I'm gonna flip it back over and it's already sealed.
But you get crispy how you want to. So.
Yeah, fry it up crispy. Get that sucker hot. But I'm gonna come back and show y'all the finishing of this and let y'all see how it turned out. Okay. So it's the second one, y'all. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna taste it and let y'all know how that go, okay?
When you're ready.
So we're gonna taste, Jason's gonna taste it to let y'all know. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Y'all, this is good. I ain't going to Taco Bell no more. Sorry, Taco Bell, but it's good. This is real good.
Okay, so
make sure you like.
I'm gonna end it, babe.
Okay.
So you guys, we thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and hit that bell to be notified so you don't miss the next upload from us. And if you're new to our channel and you haven't subscribed yet, what you waiting for? It's free. What? Free. F-R-E-E. So also you can go on the community tab and you can type on the community, hit the community, and if you don't know what that is, it's at the very top of the page where Picture Us Rolling is. At the very top you'll see something say video, list, and community. Hit on the community and over there you can leave us a comment. We thank y'all for watching.
And follow us on our social media.
Follow us on our social media.
Description down below.
At description down below. And our Instagram is at _PictureUsRolling. We love y'all and we'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. Say hi, Taste.